Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of Boy Do I Have a Lot to Show You Today. Anyway, big special thank you to Tim in Huntington Beach, California. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Tim's. All right, you guys ready for all of this? This is the Eyecroxx brand. He is getting model number 536 MD. It comes in the 54 eye size with a 16 bridge. It comes in black or brown. The brown has blue on the inside. Now, years ago, he got a brand of glasses from me called Ultem, U-L-T-E-M. It came with magnetic clip-ons. They were discontinued, and I have been struggling, scrambling, rambling in more ways than one, to try and get a replacement frame, because I love frames with magnetic clip-ons for more than one reason. Sure, the ease and care of having extra clips that go with them, but since I cut lenses on site, I instantly knew that these were much more special, much more practical and Unitarian than any other frame out there. Now, these come with 3 clips. It comes with the case, comes with the cleaning cloth, the case for the glasses. It comes with 3 slots for all 3 clips. Now, okay, that's cool in and of itself, but the 3 clips, the one that has not been altered is the polarized gray clip-on. It also comes with a yellow lens for nighttime driving, rain, fog, skiers love it. It's also known as shooter's yellow. Not everyone uses this, nor did they ever. So he cut, and what I did before, I cut a pair of polarized brown lenses. How do you know if they're polarized? You hear the term polar opposites. If you have one frame, I'm doing this for the first time, so this brand better be polarized. Well, I know these are because I cut them myself. But when you overlap 2 polarized lenses, you can still see through them. When you turn one 90 degrees, hence the term polar opposites, it blocks all light. That's how you can tell if a lens is polarized or not. So it comes with the polarized gray. It comes with the shooter's yellow. But here's the decadent Western lifestyle. Tim has 2 cars, well, he and his wife. So in order to have polarized sunglasses in his wife's car, he just leaves a second clip in the wife's car. That way when he gets in his wife's car, he's got polarized brown sunglass lenses. He keeps the gray clip in his car, so that way no matter what car he's in, he's got polarized sunglasses. The 3rd clip is a blue light protection lens. Now we can put that into the lenses itself, but Tim, by the way, Tim got the Zeiss Light D digital freeform progressive lenses. I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye, same for the left. Pupillary distance, optical center height, polycarbonate, which is the thinner, lighter weight, unbreakable lens with 100% UVA and UVB protection. The packets that the lenses came in, again, I've highlighted all that. The Duravision chrome anti-glare coating, the Zeiss cleaning cloth. But he's in front of a computer all day long with a progressive lens. I should have been doing this earlier. With a progressive lens, straight ahead is the distance. But to see the computer, you have to raise it just a little bit. The full strength of the readings at the very bottom, the computer is just below the pupil. So if you're staring at a computer screen all day, you have to tilt your head up to see through the computer power. So what I made for him is blue light, anti-glare, magnetic clip-ons for the computer. So when he's at the computer, he just looks straight ahead. So the power that is in his lens, he's got a 150, all right, I've got too much to show you here. A 150 add power. That's 150 at the very bottom of the lens. The full magnification, if he was trying to get a splinter out of his finger, the very bottom is 150. Right about here is a +1. So instead of having to lift his head upward to see at the correct gaze, where's my pen, in order to see the computer screen and having to tilt his neck this way, which starts to hurt after a few hours, I put that power into the clip, so now he can look straight ahead at his computer for 8 hours a day. And again, people under 40, you have no idea what the struggle is real. Anyone who's at a progressive at a computer screen, and especially now that the monitors are getting so large and more than one monitor, he can cut his eyes back and forth without having to turn his head left and right. He can now cut his eyes left and right. So he's been waiting for a frame like this. There's someone else, David, who got an Ultim frame from, he just messaged me. He only wants single vision lenses after all these years because he's playing softball, but it's nice to have the magnetic clip on when he's out there. So, by the way, this frame sells for $175, complete with all 3 clips. The polarized gray lenses, the yellow lenses that I took out, it comes with that, and then the blue light lenses. So literally, so it sells for $175 complete with 1 free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses. If you want blue light protection, you don't have to do anything. Just clip that on there when you're at the computer and you now have blue light protection. If you want a shooter's yellow lens, imagine these still have the yellow lenses in there. Rain, nighttime, fog, or you just like the look, you want to go to a rave, you've got the yellow lens. And this is a polarized yellow. You get all 3 clips and the frame with prescription lenses. Let go. That's how strong these rare earth magnets are. By the way, there's plastic frames. There's about 4 or 5 models that I've been looking at, and I'll have pictures of those on the website for you. But again, this is model number 536 MD. The MD must stand for magnet, and damn, that's really cool. So, very practical. Again, there's a lot going on now. You get all 3 clips with the original lenses. The blue light clip, the polarized yellow clip. I can do extra lenses for an additional fee. Jigsaw's going to kill me over this, but I will have to send out a PayPal invoice for anyone who wants blue light lenses in or just an additional plus lens, extra magnification, big plus. That's what my computer glasses are, extra magnification for when I'm at the computer screen here. I can do a polarized G15, the Ray-Ban green. I can do a polarized brown. If you want a second pair of polarized gray, I can do that for an additional $45. We'll figure out some package deal if you want a computer power in the top of this and a second polarized lens. We'll figure out a way. I tell you what, on the spot, feel like the shopping network, we'll do an extra $99. That way Jigsaw can build a cart for you with an additional feature for an additional $99. If you want gray, brown seen here, or the Ray-Ban green G15, and the second clip if you're not going to use the yellow lens. If you want extra plus power, or if you want all 3 polarized clips, the gray as shown, brown and green, we'll do that for an extra $99, and you're still going to get all the original ones here. And let me show you how easy it is to swap them out. Push from behind, out comes the lens. Put the original lens that comes with it, tuck it in at the outside corner, push in, and it snaps right in. So now you've got, Jigsaw's mind is being blown now. Now you can put back in the original polarized yellow. You can go with that one, however you want to do it. But I just want to demonstrate to how easy this is. I personally cut every pair of lenses that get shipped worldwide, so you'll be able to do it easily. But whatever you want to make happen, we can do it for you. Again, $175 for the frame and the 3 clips as is, with 1 free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses, the case, the cleaning cloth, my premium microfiber cloth, and then if you wanted the line style bifocal, which are my computer glasses, I have the computer distance in the top and the full strength of the reading. As you can see, I don't have a window here, so I don't need distance. I made these my computer glasses. And of course, the add-on to the Zeiss Light D progressive lens. But that way, you have 1 set of base frame and lenses that you can add on to depending on what you want to do. So it's like having a truck. It's like having a truck with a king cab with an extra back seat. However you want to do it, we can make it happen. If you have any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. Call Jigsaw, my partner / apprentice, at 919-491-2411. He's seeing this for the first time too in the video. I told him about him, but he's going to see this. I'll explain all the options, how we can do stuff. He's much smarter than I am. He's going to catch on quicker than I did. And he can build whatever packages you want. In fact, speaking of building packages, ask him for the red carpet service, where he build the cart for you in real time, and you can use any credit card to check out. Just tell him over the phone what it is. That way you don't have to enter your credit card information into the domain portal, and we can get everything ordered. It takes about a week to get the frames in. Same for the lenses and get them cut. Single vision lenses we can do much quicker. If you just want these and you want to take them somewhere, like the last video, someone wanted to just buy frames only and take them somewhere to have their insurance lenses put in, because very few places are going to offer this. I can still sell you this and then cut whatever lenses you want in the clips, and you can take these to have to your doctor's office to use your insurance to have your own lenses put in. Now, I don't accept insurances, but I can give you an itemized receipt that you can file for your out-of-network reimbursement, and it's very easy. We do take HSA and Flex cards. Jigsaw can do that over the phone. Again, get the frames ordered, the lenses ordered. But if you have any questions, which I'm sure people do, you can leave them in the question or comment section below. Subscribe to our channel so you get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as they become available. I was telling David, who had one of the Ultims, the Ultim 200 as a matter of fact, because I used to wear that frame. It has the new Wayfarer shape, but I told him there's a new round P3, and he's really excited to see it. It looks like my Oakley 8149, but again, it comes with 3 magnetic clip-ons. And I may just be rocking that because I like the round look now with the keyhole bridge. Again, comes in black and brown, every frame. Those are the 2 colors you get to choose from. 2 colors, but 3 clips. So, but again, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as they become available. And again, leave a question or comment in the comment section below. I'm just showing you how strong these magnets are, that you can put all 3 on at the same time. So, how cool is that? But that's it. So again, thanks for watching. Click on the link above. Give us a call, email us if you have any questions, what we can do. I'm sure there will be many. But yeah, thanks for watching, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.